everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I have got a small Sparkle Supplies haul for you. She's got some really cute new items on the website that I just simply had to have. There's a couple of bits I've been wanting for a while, not really been too sure where to get them. So I'm super excited to show you guys what I have got today. Before I get into the video, I just wanted to quickly address a post that I recently posted on my YouTube. I was sort of explaining to you guys that I've got something quite big going on in my life at the moment, and with that I'm going to have to sort of cut back on my hauls because I do quite a lot of hauls. I only really do them because I know you guys like them, but I have got to cut back on my hauls. I've got to do some penny saving. And also I'm so busy at the moment, I am struggling to upload, so I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that I'm going to have to cut back, and I'm probably only going to be uploading once or twice a week for a little while. With me mentioning that I had something going on in my life that's exciting, I kind of got a few questions asking whether I'm pregnant or getting married. I just wanted to quickly sort of let you guys know that no, I'm not pregnant, no, I'm not getting married, neither of which are ever likely to happen. I've got two beautiful children and I'm probably not going to have no more, and getting married just kind of out of the question. So no, that I'm not pregnant, I'm not getting married. What's going on isn't really a big secret as such, but I just sort of wanted to wait until the first video is up, and as I don't really know when the first video is going to be up. It will be a series on my channel, it'll be going on for quite a while, but I don't really know sort of the time with that at the moment. It depends how things go. I don't know how long everything's going to take, but as soon as I've got enough footage to make the first video, you guys will see that, which hopefully won't be too long away. And it's just going to be an ongoing thing for quite a while, but it's an exciting journey in my life that I would really like to take you guys on. It's nothing nail related. It has nothing to do with having babies or getting married, but it's something really exciting going on in my life, one of the biggest things to go on in my life, and I definitely want to take you guys along on the journey with me. As soon as I've got enough footage, I will be sharing with you guys every step of the journey, and I can't wait, but I'm just going to sort of like keep on the down low for now. So I hope you guys will enjoy that anyway, but I just wanted to let you guys know because I know a couple of people wondering if I'm pregnant or getting married, and yeah, no, not happening. But anyways, let's stop waffling, let's get into this video. Like I said, I've got a small Sparkle Supplies order, so I'm just going to flick through and show you guys everything I've got. I hope you all enjoy. So these are the first things, and this is kind of what triggered me to place another order because I had to have them. I just can't help myself. I've been wanting some of these for the longest time. These are magnetic pom-poms for your nails. And yeah, they're not really sort of everyday wear, really. I'd say they are sort of more dressy sort of things, but they are just the cutest. Right, I'm just going to leave that one in the bag. As you can see, that one's red, super fluffy. They've got these magnets on the side. So there's two magnets, one attached to the pom-pom, and there's one that you take off and attach to your nail. So when you're washing your hands, etc., you can just literally pop your little pom off and put it to the side so it doesn't get wet and horrible. And then I've got a grey one as well. It's super fluffy and lovely. I'm just so excited to use it. Like, this is something I'd have on my own nails. I'm not too sure when. As you can see, that's sort of the magnet taken off there. I don't know when I'm going to use these, but I will be keeping them for myself to do a really fancy set of nails at some point. It's just something I've been really wanting. I've seen quite a few people with them now, and I just thought they're the cutest. So yeah, I've got two of these. They are £2.99 each. But as you guys know, I am a brand ambassador for Sparkle Supplies as well, so if you use my discount code, which I'll pop up on the screen now, that will get you 15% off of all of your orders. So yeah, you can get these at an absolute bargain price, and they are just gorgeous. And then I got these, which I don't normally buy, Fimos, whatever you want to pronounce them, but these ones I had to. I just thought these are really cute. So these are the Love Hearts Fimos. So these are £1.79 for a pot, and like, yeah, as you can see, there's a lot in the pot, but they are just so cute. See? So cute. Got love, we've got Be Mine, got XOXO, Love You. They are just so cute. You've got Hug Me. I don't want to pour them all out because I know I'm just going to struggle to get them all back in. We've got Sweet Kiss. Like, yeah, it's not something I normally buy, but these are so different. I've not seen these ones before. Oh no, I've got an escapee. But yeah, no, I had to get them. I thought they're so sweet. They would have been great for Valentine's Day. See, I'm just struggling. See, I didn't even pour any out of the pot, and yeah, I'm struggling to get them back in. But I just thought they were the cutest, so I had to have them. No self-control, so I've got to stop spending because I have no self-control. Me and nail products, I can't get the lid back on them properly. Right, I think, yeah, it's not quite on properly, but it's on that enough. And then look at this. See, this is like micro shards. It's called Sunshine. I have been trying to obtain more and more colours of the micro shards. And wow, look at these. So perfect for summer. I love yellow. I really do love yellow. Look. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So freaking beautiful. Such a big pot as well. These are £2.49 a pot, which is super affordable again. And just, yeah, wow. I don't really need to say a lot, do I? Because just looking at them says enough. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, that is Sunshine, £2.49 a pot. She's got quite a few different sort of micro shards on the website now. She's got a holographic one, she's got iridescent ones, so many different colours, really beautiful. Definitely check them out. And then I've got some glitter, because apparently I don't have enough glitter. Okay, this one's called Glow. This one is like a UV reactant one. I can't show you right now, so I'm filming during daylight and I don't think there's enough. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you it sort of glowing, but like if you put this underneath your lamp, it'll really glow. So on a nail, again, it'd really glow and look really beautiful. Obviously, it's a really pretty glitter anyway, because like, I find a lot of the glow in dark glitters aren't really that pretty as a glitter. So like during the day and stuff, when it's not going to glow, it just don't look like nothing fancy. But this is stunning. I really like it. It's obviously neon orange with a proper nice iridescent shift on it, and it's just so beautiful. This is £2.35 a bag. I believe there is a few different colours. I just went with the orange because it just screamed out at me and I had to. But yeah, truly beautiful. Truly beautiful. And then we've got Sky from the Glamour collection. Again, I just had to. It's just such a gorgeous sort of bluey purple shade. I think it's like blue and it's sort of got like a purpley sort of light blue shift to it. Well, I don't think that light blue is really picking up on camera. You can sort of see some speckles of it. But yeah, truly beautiful again. I just love all her glitters. I just can't get enough of her glitters. I've literally got so many of her glitters. I think her glitters are probably my most commonly used glitters as well, because I just think they're so beautiful, so unique, so different, and just stunning. So yeah, that is Sky. That's £1.35 a bag. And then we've got this one here, which is called Sapphire Martini. So this is kind of like a multi-mix. You've got ultra fine and then you've got small hexes in there. It doesn't look like there's no chunky hexes in there, which I know a lot of you guys prefer. You sort of prefer the finer glitters. This one again is just sort of a gorgeous sort of blue shade, but it's just got such a wicked iridescent shift to it. See that? It's just amazing. It's just so beautiful. I really love her glitters. But yeah, it's £1.35 a bag. And then finally, I've got this pack of mixed butterflies. It says it's an 8-pack. So I'm going to open these up and show you all the different ones. So starting off, we have got these gigantic silver ones, which are really nice. And then we have got silver holographic. These are just great for summer again. I love the size of them as well. We have got red iridescent, as you can see there. We have got gold. Got another red iridescent one in there. We have got a blue iridescent. Pink iridescent. Purple iridescent. There's more than 8 in here. There's loads in here. I wonder if she's sent me more, whether I'm just getting confused. There's loads in here. Oh, Lorraine, if you sent me more, thank you so much. I'm not too sure whether I'm just getting confused there, but there's definitely more than 8 sheets here. That's awesome. There's literally every colour. So thank you so much, Lorraine, if you sent me extra there. That's fab. But we've got pink iridescent. Another blue iridescent. They're beautiful. This one's kind of like yellowy orange. So pretty. We've got a very sort of baby yellow iridescent. Another blue iridescent with sort of like a peachy shift to it. Like, see my light sort of reflecting that there. So beautiful. We've got another pink iridescent. I love these. And we've sort of got like a matte sort of blue one. They're incredible, they are. Look, I'm not really one for buying stickers and stuff, but I thought these were so great for summer. And they're just so pretty. There's so many in there. It does say 8-pack. I don't know if I'm getting confused or not. But £5 anyway, and they are just so pretty. Such a fantastic selection of colours there. I can't wait to do something with these. I might actually sit down in a bit and do something with these. They're just so beautiful. I really love them all. They're literally so gorgeous. But yeah, anyways, that is everything from my haul today. So yeah, that is absolutely everything from my haul today. Like I said, I didn't buy a lot because I'm trying to behave, and yeah, this is one of my final hauls for quite a while. I'll do some penny saving and try and resist the urge of getting more glitter because I don't need more glitter. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Like I said, I have got my discount code, which is always in the description box for every single one of my videos, and I'll also pop it up on the screen for you guys as well. That'll get you 15% off of all of your orders. Definitely go check out Sparkle Supplies. There's a massive range of glitters. There's all sorts, like literally just everything you could possibly ever need. She has a fantastic range of products on her website. Super affordable prices, top quality. Everything you could possibly ever want is on there, and yeah, it's just all round fantastic. So definitely go check them out. I'll leave all her details for all her social medias, website, etc. all down in the description box. But anyways, I hope you have all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. The sun is shining, it's great, I love it. Summer is coming, and it's just, yeah, so exciting. But anyways, much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!